Hello and welcome to Raise Your Toast with Davina. I'm Kopal Maheshwari and today we have among us a true visionary, none other than architect Vibha Jain Sethi, who is not only an architect but also a FICCI Flow chairperson. Let's talk to her directly. Hello Vibha ma'am, how are you?
Hi, Kopal. Thank you for having me here for this podcast.
Happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for taking out time and being a part of my podcast. And I'm glad to work with you with this entire year so closely. And before I start telling you so many things that what I learned today, we need to listen from you that what you have done in your entire journey and inspire a lot of us.
I'm actually feeling so powerful sitting with a very powerful woman today. And Kopal, you yourself is a power woman and happy Women's Day to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Today and we would like to understand कि आप एक architect हैं. तो architectural is not only about blueprints and bricks. It's more about a story. How did you manage to come into this industry and picked up this career to become an architect?
I think this happened when I was in school and I was very creative. And I used to create small little corners in the house and decorate them and have my own style statement. And I never realized, but people when they used to walk in, they could see the difference. This was something that was throughout, and we are from the time when career options were only mostly engineering, CA, and maybe doctor. And I was not really aware of what architecture is. In fact, I have seen people after even when I completed architecture, people were not really aware of what architecture was. So at that time, what happened was a new structure came up in the city.
Okay.
And that was the talk of the town. And that was a time when अभी we are so much into हमारे बच्चे क्या करने वाले हैं, what are they passionate about,
yes.
Let's do their psychometric test and all sort of things. उस समय तो something very influential came your way and you decide your career, and that was something that really appealed me, and everybody used to talk about who the architect is. And that became, that introduced me to what architecture is. I was very good in studies. I had an option to go for IIT or maybe some very good engineering, computer science field. But I chose this. In fact, Papa ne bola bhi ki, are you sure you want to do it? मतलब दिन भर labor से you'll have to deal with. And उस समय तो एक नया जोश, I'll manage everything.
हो गया.
I'll do it.
Very nice. When did you actually started practicing?
I started my practice. I worked for some time in Nagpur immediately after my studies, and then I started my practice there in Nagpur itself.
Okay.
Before my marriage.
Achha.
I did quite a few projects, interiors and also architecture. I renovated my own house, and I was almost semi-established practice I had before my marriage. And yeah, after marriage moved to Indore, and then again, there's a lot of change in a woman's life.
Yes, of course. Yes, very true. Ma'am, sustainability and aesthetics often walk a tightrope. IGBC, accredited professional, which acclaimed sustainability award. How do you ensure that your creation does not please the eyes rather, but also respect the environment? मतलब क्या कोई ऐसा golden rule है जो आपने सोचा when you got aggregated, like when you got this IGBC award, and what came in your mind कि 8 साल पुराना आपको ये award मिला हुआ है almost?
I think उस समय nobody was much aware about what green building or sustainability is, or especially in architecture. I think our project was like second or third in the city who received this 5-star rated green building award from Griha. And I did this from IGBC. I'm a very strong nature lover, and I don't believe in shutting off nature when I'm inside the house. So any which ways, my USP is amalgamation or mixing of indoors and outdoors. That's one aspect of it. And I always had, I always believed in being in nature and not harming it. Then this green building concept came, and we also understand how much harm do we do to environment.
Yes.
So that actually appealed me. I studied about it and I did this course, and then I went on to build that house. Simplicity and natural environment
Yes.
are more pleasing and are more aesthetically pleasing.
Of course, I very well buy your point, because आज तो हम बाहर जाते हैं scenic beauty देखने.
Exactly.
We actually go out for a weekend to have a peace of mind.
Yes.
So why not make our own house more sustainable and more nature friendly?
Yeah, peace of mind. The name of my house is Sukoon, and
Sukoon,
actually,
yeah.
When we enter, we can feel it's the vibe, it's the natural environment that makes it very positive. We have planted a tree inside the house.
You did?
Yes. Simplicity plays a very important role. Aesthetically placing too many elements in a house, which might, become boring in a period of time, is not a timeless aesthetics.
Yes.
So what I always have in mind is timelessness when we build anything. And even after 8 years, I think I can claim that anybody who enters the house and says that, yeah, you have recently built it, and that's
Yeah,
a
I've
compliment
seen your
for
home.
me.
It's really pleasing. It's very beautiful vibes. You feel sukoon, जो आपके घर का नाम है. Coming back to the leadership of Vicky Flo, which is a hot topic to discuss today.
Oh my God.
And I have worked with you very closely this year, and there are so many questions in my mind which is still popping up to talk to you about. How do you manage this? How did you manage to do this? So let's, completely start doing it. Managing 25 plus committee members and pulling out 100 plus events. It sounds less than a leadership. And it sounds more like a symphony and an orchestra.
Absolutely. Very, very perfect term, Kopal, you have used. It's a symphony.
Ma'am, how did आप कैसे सब कुछ इतनी seamlessly कर लेते बिना tension के बिना I have never seen you in being so tensed. You're like हो जाएगा. There has to be some golden rule, and we would want to know this today.
So again, now architecture plays a very important role in this. Being an architect, I have that capability of visualizing and navigating the entire process before it is already done. So
the planning on the paper.
Not on the paper. Actually, if you see 100 events, it is not possible for us to plan on paper. But automatically the brain works in a way that we have already seen the entire event happening.
Yeah.
And
just like making a home.
Yes, exactly.
Planning a home.
Yeah. So what we make on paper is first already been created on our minds. And that is what comes on paper and then on site. Similarly, for every event, I think what worked was my visualization definitely helped, and symphony of our members. You cannot, in 365 days, covering 100 events, I cannot be everywhere and anywhere.
Of course.
Being in the planning, be it on the site, during the event. So you have been seeing, if each member does 4 projects,
then
100 is a lesser number.
Lesser number.
Yeah.
Very true. So, but yes, of course, this year it was an amazing year. People really related themselves to Flo. That I must say.
I also enjoyed.
You also enjoyed. So do we enjoyed. With such a vast scale of operations, हर इंसान की जिम्मेदारी और भी मायने लगने लगती है. But delegation is an art. Not everyone feels that sense of ownership. How do you create an environment where every committee member does not just follow, but take a lead?
So, Kopal, I think one of our members she was complimenting, she was talking about me or my leadership. She gave a very good statement. That was, leadership is about taking charge of people who are in charge.
Who are in charge?
So what I did was I only took charge of my 25 members. And they took charge of the entire year. So ownership was, they themselves took it. I had to only take their care, what they need, Where is the what is the problem they are facing, where they can get stuck, or maybe defining some process. That was my role.
So, in my previous podcast, I have spoken to a lot of architects and interior designers. They always do say that we do the need analysis of our client. So, you did the need analysis of those 25 people?
Yes, exactly, and obviously of the event.
Yeah.
And they navigate, and they actually took it ahead.
That's so nice that you have actually done a commendable job in taking in charge to those 25 in charge people. With such a vast membership base, more than 600 or 700?
750.
750.
Plus,
How did
750
you
plus.
turn passive members into active contribution?
That's another one commendable thing that has happened this year. And
कोई सीक्रेट मंत्र हो तो ज़रूर बताना, बिकॉज मेरे पॉडकास्ट के जो व्यूअर्स हैं और जो लिसनर्स हैं वो इसमें से टिप्स लेते हैं.
so again,
बिकॉज मैम नेटवर्क इज
one
नॉट
more
जस्ट अ
thing.
नंबर. मतलब आप नेटवर्किंग की बात करोगे तो सिर्फ नंबर नहीं होता नेटवर्किंग करना. इतने सारे पैसिव मेंबर्स को एक्टिव करना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा.
there is a difference. Agar if I go in any organization, if I go and attend the event, so when I was understanding what is the need of an organization or what is the need of a member who is attending any event, their again passive attendance, does it really help? Or what do a member need when they when they join any organization? I think it is their participation that is going to help them, or that is. For example, if I join any organization, I have a clear vision in mind that I need my own growth, that's self-growth.
Yes.
Or maybe there are multiple 2-3 things when you understand the need of any member who joins an organization. Is their self-growth in business, their growth in business, their self-growth, and one is the networking.
Yes.
So if I get to meet new people, how do I identify my own like-minded people? So if we list down, there are 2 or 3 points that usually any need of any women or any member comes to. Understanding those points, then passive attendance, coming and attending an event and just going away was not really helping. How do we encourage more and more members to participate was the idea. So every event that was planned was keeping in mind these 3 criteria.
Okay.
And once I am focused, so once the focus is clear, I think it becomes very easy to understand that what decision is to be taken. And just for example, we had this event in which 100 women were on stage.
And that was Spotlight?
Spotlight, FPL, matlab, you
FPL.
talk about events, and I think this Trailblazer Awards, there has been multiple events in which almost more than 100 women were on stage, giving them a platform, giving them a sense of satisfaction, giving them a feeling of, active participation. That is something that.
So do you
what
think
is
if there
very
is more
important.
member participation, the event itself is a hit?
Obviously, absolutely.
Because Flow
I
is a
become
platform for the people. That is the
Yes,
Flow member itself.
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
So people usually call me a perfectionist, but which I am not. I'm more experimental. I'm fine with failures. I'm fine with flaws. I have given chance to be on stage to women who have, just first time entered or held the mic. I'm fine with them making mistakes. And I think that is fine. It is absolutely okay to see themselves making mistakes, but getting an opportunity is important.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is how you groom. This is
Yes,
how people
absolutely.
want to be associated with an organization where they have given a chance to perform.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And Flow has done a commendable job for actually connecting and making female understand that this is a place where I can prove myself, or probably I can come up the curve, or I can listen, I can understand, and I can empathize, I can sympathize. There are so many events which have happened.
Yes.
How has architectural shaped your leadership at Flow? स्ट्रक्चर हो या सिस्टम, दोनों विजन और एग्जीक्यूशन मांगते हैं. कोई डिजाइन प्रिंसिपल जो आप लीडरशिप डिसीजन में अप्लाई करती हो?
Actually, being an architect helped me navigate this year very smoothly. Again, vision and execution that you said, I have that
You've learned
visual sense
visual sense through architectural.
through architecture. Architects live the entire space before it is built.
Before it is built.
So this quality of an architect actually helped me live the entire year. I lived every event before it was done.
In your dreams?
Yeah, as soon as it was
Visualize.
conceived,
Yes.
whenever we decided on which event to do, decision making is very important. And
Do you remember I recently told you, ma'am, whenever we used to talk to each other, first of all, you used to think. Probably you will be visualizing that ये कैसे होगा.
so I never took, if you realize that I never gave decision immediately.
Immediately, yes.
Because I think over it twice I sleep over it. Even while taking any decision on any event, on confirming on any speaker, on confirming on, I never do it immediately. I sleep over it. I understand pros and cons. I visualize the event and then I go ahead.
Go ahead. Sustainably सिर्फ बिल्डिंग तक सीमित नहीं है, एक माइंडसेट है. Just like your architectural design focus on longevity and impact, did you weave the same principle into your flow leadership? क्या leadership भी वही thought process मांगती है?
Of course. Matlab, again, I think this is going to be the repeat of what I've already said. And trust. See, when we run an office, we have architecture or building a house, it is not a single man work.
Yes.
It is a
Teamwork.
Starting from when we start visualizing, we start getting it on paper and then we start getting it on site.
And
जो
execution.
office वाले हैं, they are not going to work on site.
Yes.
And this site people, they cannot be, doing this. So it is a teamwork that happens in multiple steps.
Yes.
And that is what leadership is all about. And leadership is leadership. Be it in architecture, be it in any organization, I think the same principles follow.
Follow करते.
Yeah.
Yes.
And trusting. Trust is, I think, one of the very important factors that always work. I've trusted my members.
Yes.
I'm my committee. And I know and identify their strengths. I know, just for example, I know Ankita is very good in graphic designing. And the way she comes up with ideas, I rather consult her that, ये ठीक लग रहा है, मतलब shall we go ahead or do you want any change? I have given her the ownership of what is being happening on Insta or what is happening on LinkedIn or whatever posters are coming on our official groups. I don't interfere because she is a better person to do it.
Yes.
Similarly, I know Kopal can handle the kind of work that Kopal is handling. I won't be able to do it. So I rely on her completely. That's her strength on which I am relying. So in fact, I'm more dependent on...
No, that's the trust which matters a lot. And that is your trust which has given us the leadership quality to lead that particular place.
Yeah, of course. And I also understand that without
And we don't want to let you down. This is also one of the facts, basically. Because the trust, बोलते हैं ना जैसे पेरेंट्स को अपने बच्चे पे ट्रस्ट होता है तो बच्चा लगता है यार गलती कर देंगे तो भी चल जाएगा लेकिन करते तो हैं.
हाँ, करते तो हैं. And I myself was not scared of failures या mistakes. होती है. और मुझे पता है कि हाँ, कोपल की ये strength से वो गलती नहीं कर पाएगी इसमें.
A successful business isn't just built on idea. This year at Flow, what initiatives have you led that not only provide women with resources but also instill the confidence to take bold risks?
What we tried was we identified. So there was another analysis chart that we had worked on initially when I started. We have gone through the membership, our database. So what category our members are and what is the need, and joining an organization, how is it going to help them again? So we had startups, we had solopreneurs, and we also had big entrepreneurs. Now, what is it stopping them to move ahead? and what is the barrier that they could have been facing in their business life. So this is some analysis work that we did initially when the year started. So, for example, like entrepreneurs, we most of us, what we think that padhai ho gayi, we are done with our studies, education is now over. But when we are working, when we are doing our business, we don't realize that we are stuck and what is going to help us.
Yes.
और एक level पे आने के बाद में everybody gets stuck. Every step में, after every few steps, we get stuck.
Agreed.
How do we grow? तो ये जो barriers है, इसको कैसे हम हटा सकते हैं? तो in that case, just for example, एक थोड़े established entrepreneurs के लिए, we introduced this women entrepreneur program, education program with IIM Bangalore. I think going again for they themselves, they had to break barriers and ये mental mindset से निकलना पड़ता है कि now this is also the time when I can go and study. मतलब why not? Go back to education. Go understand what is it that is stopping me to move ahead, or what is it that I'm doing. जो bottleneck idea है. Usually when I do a startup में you are a bottleneck. आप कोई भी काम करते हो तो everything has to go through you because you are handling everything.
Yes.
But when you want to grow, you'll have to remove yourself from that position.
Yes.
This mindset, how does it come? And when do you know that now you have to remove yourself?
Basically हम हमारे कुएं के मेंढक बन जाते हैं
और उससे बाहर नहीं आ पाते हैं. तो हम
ये
growth
IIS
को
बैंगलोर
रोक
वाला
देते हैं.
कोर्स हो गया, चैट जीपीटी वाला कोर्स हो गया, डिजिटल लिटरेसी वाला कोर्स हो गया, ये जितनी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आप देते हो, ये हम अगर ग्रैब करें तो हम हमारे बॉटलनेक्स को कहीं ना कहीं रूल आउट कर सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. तो किस समय हमें वो स्टार्टअप्स की आप नीड है, मतलब आप नीड हो, आप से ही आप बिजनेस है, कब उससे छोड़ना है आपको, कब उस एरिया से आपको बाहर निकलना है, दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. उस समय कोई गाइडेंस चाहिए होता है. तो दैट वाज वन प्रोग्राम दैट वी डिड. देन देयर आर वेरी छोटे सोलोप्रेन्योर्स हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. तो वी ट्राइड गिविंग देम प्लेटफॉर्म बाय शोकेसिंग देयर वर्क. सो दैट इज इटसेल्फ फॉर देम इट्स अ बिग थिंग कि they got this platform in front of such a huge crowd. So these are the small steps that we took for these entrepreneurs, which helped them grow in their businesses.
Okay. After completing Women Entrepreneurship Program in ISB, now how do you see structured learning transforming leadership? And how do you ensure that flow members remain lifelong learners in an ever-evolving business world?
ISB, two things that have really influenced me is, again, Women Entrepreneur Program that we are doing with IIM Bangalore, which I did with ISB. This is one program that has really helped me. And another thing is this architecture, my own career. These two things have helped me
to blend.
The blend of two things have helped me bring my leadership.
So the creativity and the management.
Creativity and the management. Yes, and these two are my strengths. Yes. And again, when we think about members, I think, again, creativity and management has helped me build an environment for them too.
And I believe all women are creative. Because there's so many multitask work they have to do.
Yes.
That is only possible if you're creative. And it is by default they are creative. It is just the managerial skills which need to be polished on and off.
Yes, but surprisingly, I'm not a very good multitasker. I'm very focused. Yeah, very focused. When I'm doing something, I am doing that. I cannot focus on other things. So my other things absolutely take a sidetrack.
Okay.
So it is very difficult for me to.
Few personal and inspirational side of your life we would like to understand. That is, when every day is full of calendar, how do you make sure life does not turn into just checklist? Between architectural, leadership and impact work, what keeps you inspired and in control of your time?
This one book called First Things First. Have you heard about it?
Yeah, I have heard but not read.
Do read it.
Okay.
So again, being focused, I don't deviate from my focal point. So being focused really helps me. I'm able to, leave the unimportant things on my way that can be handled later or can be managed later, but what is required. So this obviously helped me. And what was the other part of your question?
Being architectural, leadership, and impact work, what keeps you inspired in the control of your time? Means आपके पास में इतनी सारी activities है करने की, checklist है आपके पास में, तो आप ये सारी चीजें timely कैसे कर पाते हो?
Management, I guess, because
Management
I know
skill.
कि post 7 p.m. के बाद में no work.
No work.
मतलब no work. My family, my husband, we compulsorily walk in the evening. Compulsorily, whatever, how tired I am, even if he's late from his office, even I have a lot of work. Tomorrow I have my event going to happen, Vidya Balan आ रही है शहर में, but maybe anything, but we know that we are going to walk for maybe
So this
half
is a
an hour.
golden rule actually, to walk with your spouse.
Yes.
Huh?
And that is the time when we actually discuss, we talk. That's without my phone. We never keep our phones with us when we are walking. That is the time when we discuss ideas and we talk about and you know, when there's someone who's listening to you, things automatically get clear.
Cleared.
Yeah. So we both talk to each other. So things automatically get sorted.
Yeah.
So that's one golden rule. I think yeah.
बात करते करते golden rule आपसे निकलवाया हमने. Ancient Indian practices like yoga and meditation cultivate focus, discipline, and resilience, basic qualities of every leader which needs. Since you deeply follow these practices, how they influenced your leadership and decision making?
You tell me.
See, I have recently started practicing yoga and I can feel the difference. So yoga really helped, and yoga has meditation also. But it's like 2 months, but you've been meditating since long. I have heard about it.
Yes. So yeah, I have tried Vipassana twice or thrice. So I think yoga and meditation have always helped me keeping my head cool. And I'm sorted.
Oh, you're so sorted and you're so cool that at times it's amazing to see you so cool with so many things juggled up around. And it's something which not only I need to learn, a lot of people need to learn from you, because at this age, very early, you've been exposed to a lot of things. And the way you have taken this entire year with your professional as well as personal life, and this is a networking life which you have gone through, मैम मुझे नहीं लगता कि सिर्फ मेडिटेशन ने हेल्प किया है आपको, आपकी पर्सनालिटी वैसी है बचपन से. You were calm. You probably would have
then
improvised.
Then we'll have to ask my
parents and teachers. But then किसी की trait होती है, खुद की trait होती है.
See, what I understand is कि only because I enjoy doing it, I stay calm in it. If you find joy in doing what you're doing, वो stress नहीं देता है.
Yes, this is a very valid point.
Yeah.
जो आप कर रहे हो अगर आपको मजा आ रहा है तो वो स्ट्रेस नहीं देता है. You enjoy. आपका रात में थकान भी रहती है तो भी वो आपको अच्छी लगती है.
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि मेरा ये काम इसमें बचा है and that I find joy in doing it. मुझे नींद नहीं आती है. I would want to do it.
Complete it all.
And I love doing it. See, what I don't want to do, जो I am not enjoying, मैं उसको टालती रहूँगी. This is something I won't leave it for later. I would want to do it now because I enjoy doing it. I enjoy being with my committee and planning things, और वो ये question आ रहा है, just fine. मतलब this is what we are here for, and I enjoy being with all of them.
So do you really feel that meditation has helped you doing that?
Yes. I am very sorted, I know. That's because of meditation.
Okay. So meditation really helps a lot.
So meditation helps me keeping the all confusions वो सब मेरे साफ.
So when do you meditate?
अभी तो वैसे flow is giving थोड़ा सा बहुत सारी चीज़ें चुरा लेता है. मतलब the kind of work that happens वो सुबह शाम दिन रात is only 24/7 flow. But still I keep some time, whatever happens morning में when I get up, the one thing I do is meditate for some time.
Okay, morning hours.
हाँ, तो अभी definitely flow से कम हुआ है, लेकिन otherwise yoga and meditation is part of my life. And reading is another part of my life that used to happen every day before flow. And I think, Kopal, there's one more thing to it. What I've seen, Abhi, my committee member, my strength, थोड़े दिन में, they keep calling, विभा यार काम दो. So it is not because they want to work, it is because they're enjoying their work.
वो नशे में है.
They're enjoying their work.
They're enjoying that flow with the flow.
Yeah. So why are they enjoying? Because they're getting the work that they really want to do. है ना? जैसे for example, before getting into flow, मैंने कभी किसी से जाके रुपए नहीं मांगे थे, sponsorship नहीं मांगी, and I was wondering कि ये कोई कैसे कर सकता है, मतलब I cannot do it, मतलब this is not my strength at all. That is what I used to feel. अगर मुझे किसी ने बोला कि यार go and get sponsorship, sorry, I cannot do it. मतलब I knew that was not my strength, though अब तो काफ़ी साल भर में मतलब मांगने की आदत हो गई है. लेकिन yeah, one thing I was able to do it was identify strength of my committee and then give them their roles. They also started enjoying it.
Because they have that traits.
They have the traits because, yes.
And that is why utilizing that traits and working for it becomes enjoyable.
Yes.
And
so
when
again,
the results start coming, you enjoy more.
तो जैसे मैंने बोला कि रात में मुझे नींद नहीं आती है. मुझे अगर मेरे पास कोई इस तरह का कोई काम है तो I don't want to sleep. Same thing happened with my committee also.
Yes.
If they have received some work, they've got some role to do, they don't feel tired. They want to do it. तो ये I was wondering, मैं बोली यार कितना काम करोगे, हो गया मतलब 100 projects done.
सही बात है. Trophies gather dust, but some moments stay etched in the heart forever. Among all your achievements, कोई एक ऐसा experience जो सिर्फ एक milestone ही नहीं, but एक memory है that still makes you smile, or maybe you have tears in your eye.
My daughter said this to me, Mama, I'm so proud of you.
Oh, and daughter saying that, Mama, I'm so proud of you would have really...
And she always takes my side.
She always takes your side.
Yeah, and when this statement is magical, बाकी चीजें सब बेकार. At times हमें ये guilt रहता है women को खासकर कि maybe we are not doing right with our children, getting involved in our career, getting involved in so much. क्या ज़रूरत है? मतलब why do we want to do it? Concentrate in our families. लेकिन one more thing, what I have realized is if you are happy, your family is happy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So your happiness matters a lot.
Yes. Because if you're happy, you can make them happy.
Yeah, exactly. And if I am not satisfied with my life, I cannot give satisfaction to my family.
And children look upon to that.
Yes.
When they see you happy doing something, they feel like my mama is happy doing it. They say, why don't you do it then?
Yeah, why don't you do it? And we spread the smile once we are back home because we are satisfied.
Yes.
Yeah.
कभी-कभी लगता है कि मल्टीटास्किंग एक टैलेंट है, मतलब एक बड़ा स्कैम भी है, देखा जाए तो. What's one piece of advice you would give to women leaders who are juggling responsibilities faster than a street juggler, but still trying to keep their sanity intact?
Dream, then dare, and delegate. Especially for women.
D to the power 3.
D to the power 3. I think delegation is very important. मैं सब कर सकती हूँ. No need to be a power woman. Oh, last night Vidya said this. I am not a power woman. Take this always with a pinch of salt. I cannot be perfect. Do what you like.
Yes.
And you'll be perfect in it.
And start delegating.
ज़रूरी नहीं कि घर का भी मैं ही संभालूँ. Everything needs to be properly delegated. Create a support system. Create a support system at your work. Create support system at Flow with so many people, so many women.
And of course, being an architect also, you have to delegate. As you said, it's a teamwork.
Yeah,
being
absolutely.
a homemaker, you have to delegate. You cannot do everything by your own. You also have to have house helps. So why not, to have a dream and to dare to, see the dream and make it complete and delegate your responsibilities to reach to that power. So well said, yeah. D3, this is a new rule for women. हर बड़ा मिशन एक छोटी सी शुरुआत मांगता है और यहाँ मेंबरशिप फीस नहीं लगती. How can our listeners, basically our podcast listeners, go from this is amazing to I'm actually doing something for this cause. How can our listeners generally support Ficky Flow's vision?
Ficky Flow's vision is the power to empower.
Okay.
And how do I support it? Is how can I empower anybody who I come across anybody in life, and how can I help them grow? Is the vision that Flow has in mind, which I have in mind, which everybody who's connected to Flow always keeps this in mind. That how can a woman be a strength of a woman who wants to grow, who wants to lead in life, and yeah, I think this year has been an example of. Year is really amazing by by giving opportunity to so many women who has received an opportunity, who have got opportunity, who from just passive listeners to active members to participants of the entire event. They have the entire year, and we have got more participants this year than any other year. So I think this taking up opportunity and building opportunity for others is very important and goes with the vision of Flow.
This is the vision of Flow.
This is the vision of Flow. And opportunity is something we believe in.
Okay.
Take it, grab
Ma'am,
it.
the last question, again a very personal question. Your spouse, Mr. Avinash Jain, how supportive he was this entire year?
Oh, he's very supportive, very, very supportive. And he has been, pushing me. So I'll just tell you, I don't know, you can cut this later maybe, but to let you know, when this proposal came to me to be the junior vice chair, at that time we understood that this is the year which is going to be my son's 12th grade. Although I have a different concept, that's another podcast that can happen. I have a different concept of education. But, societal pressure or maybe the mindset that usually people have, 12th mein aap ye kaise le sakte, 12th mein usually people leave everything and stay
Sit
at
with
home.
their children, yeah.
So that is the mindset which everybody has. So I was only scared of that societal pressure. Otherwise, I know that my son can do it. My daughter did it before that, and she had done it everything on her own. And so I proposed this, whether should I take it or should I leave this year? I'll let it go. Maybe I'll take some other time, this leadership. He was the person, and my daughter was, these are the two people who forced me, ki, opportunity I had, don't leave it, take it.
Take it.
And it is, my daughter used to say, आपने मेरे 12th में क्या किया था जो आपको अब बेटे की इतनी चिंता हो रही है? तो बोली, you'll do it. मतलब don't worry, and we don't want you to sit and are you teaching us? बोली, no. Then why are you worried? वो तो पढ़ाई तो वैसे भी अपने लेवल पे कर रहे हैं तो and you're already there with us all the time. आप हो हमारे साथ. तो she and my husband are the people who forced me to accept this responsibility. In the meanwhile, next 10 years from junior to senior, I always used to keep thinking कि मैं कहीं गलत नहीं कर दूँ अपने बेटे के साथ. That might be a wrong step. तो कई बार बीच में आया कि should I leave? What do I do? But they had been the people who said no.
They were the strong pillars rather.
Absolutely. And they believed in me more than I could, And
so for every successful man, there is a successful woman or a passionate woman. But एक successful woman के लिए भी बहुत
ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. If he doesn't understand me, it is difficult to navigate throughout the year.
Exactly. So even I am working, I know the strongest pillar and the backbone is my husband. That is why I am able to do so many things. And it applies to you. So on Women's Day, we must also thank all men who are supporting women.
Yes. And without each other's support, I think it is very difficult
very difficult.
Move ahead.
Thank you so much for being with us today. And I believe my listeners and my viewers will take out so many valid golden rules from your thought process. And it is going to be very helpful for them. And this particular podcast specifically will be for women and the aspiring women who want to to work also and who are into this industry also and working also, and listening to you would give them dare to dream, to delegate, which is more important.
Yes.
And to sum up everything, Vibhadi, frankly speaking, it is very, very rare that a woman learn from a woman. But with you, I believe maximum of our committee member and the members now, after listening to them, will learn from you a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Kopil. It is your belief in me that, I'm sure you also took time to understand what is happening, but once you gave your heart and soul to it, and
So I also just jumped
you just jumped.
and start diving here and there and swimming here and there. But I also enjoyed. And flow is being in committee, as you mentioned earlier, is not a cakewalk.
It is not a
And
absolutely.
उस समय सिर्फ सुना था कि हाँ ठीक है, but समझा कि हाँ it's not a cakewalk.
So ये पूरे साल if there are 25 members, committee members, 25 के घर में शादी होती है.
Actually.
The entire year.
हर event में.
And every family supports. इसीलिए तो we are able to do it.
Yes.
So hats off to all husbands.
I know they all have been a part of flow only.
Yeah,
completely.
absolutely. I think every child now, every kid knows what my mom is doing and what is flow.
What is flow? सही बात है. No, it's one of its kind platform.
Yes.
So congratulations to you for completing this entire year fantastically, fabulously, flawlessly. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for being there.
During the entire year in being in flow, you have met a lot of celebrities. You met Vidya Balan. You have interviewed her. You have we have seen you doing a talk show with Sudha Murthy. We have seen you doing a talk show with
Zoya
Akhtar, Anupam Kher. So, आप इतने अच्छे सेलिब्रिटीज से मिले हो और उनसे आपने टॉक शो किया है बेसिकली देखा जाए तो हाउ डिड यू फील लाइक were you having a lot of pride or you were at your ease or you were very nervous?
I'm never nervous on
You're never
stage.
nervous?
Never.
One person whom you still like to get interviewed?
Still like to get?
Interviewed, you have dreamt about.
Oh yes, so I have two favorites. I always keep saying this and मैं कई बार अविनाश को छेड़ती हूँ कि देखो मतलब टू विश लिस्ट है मेरी. I am a big fan of A.R. Rahman and I am a big fan of Amir Khan.
Amir Khan and A.R. Rahman.
Yes.
Both the A's.
With the A's, and both are one is super creative and one is super perfectionist. And I would definitely once in life would like to sit with them, talk to them.
Talk to them.